Today we're drawing a Opila bird. So let's get started. First we're going to draw 2 circles in the middle.
2 circles?
No, not in the middle, like kind of to the right.
2 circles to the right.
And then we're just going to draw that same circle inside of both.
You gonna fill it in?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Then we're going to draw 2 ends on the left.
Oh, I think I drew my ends wrong. But I'll show them anyway.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Yeah, look. Well, this one's up here, and this one's down here. It's okay.
And then we're going to draw... Oh,
I already started coloring mine in.
and I just messed up. Then we're going to start right beside the eyeball. And then draw just something that goes down. This. 1 second. I messed up. Right.
Mine looks so weird.
Okay.
Hold on, I filled my eyeballs in. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in another one.
Okay, it kind of looks like a ghost to me. Mine looks like a ghost. And then we're gonna draw a C. I messed up. I messed up really bad. Okay, we go down. We go down just a little bit with both of these.
Really?
Mhm.
Okay.
For the long neck it has.
Then we draw a big C.
Then we draw a big C at the end.
Mine's not going to look nearly as good as yours.
1 second. Let me move my eyes. My eyes kind of look weird. Hopefully no one heard. Mine. Look at mine. Okay. I made mine just look even more weird. I'm just going to do this, and there we go. And then we're going to draw a straight line right
I
here.
see a straight line on that other one, but okay. I mean, mine's...
Mom, you made it a little too low.
That's okay.
Then we're going to make a little U.
I'm making a little N.
Oh. And then I should have did this earlier, but we had to add the beak.
Beak.
Yeah, so first we're going to start at the eye and make it right here. Then just make a slight curve.
I just want to watch you, then I'll figure it out.
Okay, then at the end of that beak, we're going to go all the way to the other eye. Mine looks so weird.
No, it doesn't. It looks good. Yours always looks good.
And then we're going to draw legs. So go down with a straight line.
That direction?
Nope, wrong way. I did it wrong. I did it so wrong. Okay. Then we'll just go and draw little curves and back. Okay, don't pay attention to my erase line. And then we're going to draw 2 toes.
What about the heel?
just 2 little toes
Wait a second, I can't see.
with 2 little claws at each
Hey,
toe.
Yours is better. So 2 toes, 2 little claws at each toe.
Okay, done with my leg. Then we're just going to do the same thing on this side. There we go. Oh, shoot.
Mine's got little skinny legs.
The more skinny, the more better. I mean, yours looks so much better than mine. What do you mean?
Yours looks better than mine for sure.
Hey, Mom, you forgot to add your little curve right there.
Oh, sorry. I must have missed that part in the tutorial.
Okay? And what I'm almost complete. Then we're going to go to the
Oh,
leg
hold on a second. I did something wrong with
and then make your little, and just go to that little line where it ends. And we're going to draw a background now.
Wait, we didn't even give it a tail yet or hair up top.
Oh yeah, I forgot the hair is up top. So we're going to draw a straight line, then a little curve. And then we have to do that 2 more times. Straight line. Little curve. Let's do that again and again. Until you get to 3.
You're good at this.
Then we're just going to add, we're going to do the same thing as the tail, but bigger.
You sure do some good drawing tutorials. You're a good teacher.
We're just going there.
My tail's kind of pointy.
Yeah, it kind of looks good like that.
Let's write Opila bird.
But we ain't done with the background.
We'll write it up top. Look at the other one.
Okay, y'all can if you want.
Opila? Is that how you say it?
I don't know. Some people say Opila, some people say Opila. Opila bird.
Now what?
Then we're going to make the background.
What are you in the background? Some grass that it's walking on?
No.
No.
We're going to do something different. We're going to make the inside of the building.
Wait, what color is it? Let's color it in.
First we need to do the background.
First, we need to color it in. We can do the background. You're the teacher here.
Okay, and we're going to kind of make it like that place where Bambolina chases you. And Jumbo Josh's hand sticking out.
I don't know anything about that.
Okay, then just repeat after me. Make a line at the corner. Then make a really big C.
I don't have no rain stuck in my head.
And then we're just going to just connect that.
Oh, okay. Connect it all the way?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then I kind of messed up on mine.
I hope you didn't, because mine's just like yours.
Then we're going to make an oversized.
Well, you told me it was just one line. Okay.
And then we're just going wait. Then we're going to draw the thumb. We're going to draw this.
Thumb? Is that what it was?
Wait, no. We're just going to draw 3 lines.
1, 2, 3.
Mhm.
Oh, erase this. Okay, let's color it in now. Go get some colors. Pink, purple, yellow.
No, we ain't. We need way more colors than that. Pink, purple, yellow, green.
I see pink, purple, yellow.
But Jumbo Josh's fist is green.
Okay, we're just gonna get the whole set of markers.
Okay.
Nobody was choosing Hank, so I chose him.
Back my marker. Okay.
Let's see.
So
What you got green for? Well, you ain't got no pink, purple, yellow. I ain't either.
The government finds out we got him. The government.
I'm just gonna color Jumbo Josh's fist first.
Okay.
Why would they take you?
You still need your yellow line.
Ooh. For what? The legs and feet?
Yep.
Feetsies. Footsies. Okay. I can't even see my finger lines now. That's alright. That's alright.
Okay, this is how mine is so far. The phone cut off. And you still need the phone.
Oh yeah. That's alright.
Let's say they had it.
Nope.